Good evening. My name is Shekhar Shukla. I have attended this Be10x program. It is very, very valuable. It really adds value to your capabilities. It empowers you to do things which earlier seemed like very, very difficult or very long time taking. The insights in this program provide a lot of knowledge, information, and the way ahead to increase your productivity 10 times or even more than what it is presently. I would recommend that anyone who is in the working field should attend this program and increase his productivity to give good results in his work, in his organization, or in his business. It may appear that today's AI will change after some time, but then this program provides you the way ahead with the present AI and also gives you an idea how to locate the new AIs which would be coming in future. And at the end of it, I would like to say, though everything is available on the YouTube, when we were children, everything of your school curriculum was also available on the textbooks. But still, we went to school because what you require is a teacher and a mentor who can guide you in doing better. So, that is why you should attend this program in, if you want to increase your productivity 10 times or more in your life. Thank you.